As you can see, better get the workshop cleaned up. So I'll start phase 2 on a clean workshop. It is day 38. On day 37 I did the rooftop tint, which I will show you when it is opened up. I'll open it up, but for the meantime let me show you the top of it. Inside, it's coming along. Put them in the comments to make shorter movies, not have them so long, so that's what I'll do today. I'll just do a short little brief of the pop-up top. It's day 38. I've got the pop-up on. On the inside, what it looks like. I just want to show you how quick how it works. And there she goes. What I did was, single bed. I'm having the side tent still made, manufactured. I'm waiting for the quote. Unless I've got to have it done myself. But this will be a bed on top of the sides, a window on this side, window on that side, and a window on the front. I've got it operating on these struts. It's really worked well. It's rimmed off on the inside. Strut on this side and both sides. The bed section will work, slide out, drop into position. The section will fold down, and then you've got a single bed. All your windows. Still going to be getting LED lights. At the end of the day, you can just fold the bed up again, fold it away, and you've got all the head space you need. This complete structure, compared to the quotation I got from a local in South Africa, is 289,000 rand. As you can see it, anybody can build it. The cost of it worked out 1,470 rand. That is wood, aluminium stripping, your sheet metal, plus your 2 struts, excluding the tent. The tent fabric will be costing me 2,750 rand. I'll first go and close it, and then I'll open it up and show you the ease of opening it up. opens up on its own with a great deal of ease. I'll still be mounting a handle to it to make it easier to pull it down, but that's once I've got the missing tent up. Still day 38. In addition, that I never showed you guys is the manner of getting up onto the second bed. I've created a sort of a step system that you get onto the top. The toilet section completely into a seat section. Your full toilet and flush bowl is at the back of this. At the back you got your flush system, and then this will lift up to the toilet system, but we'll still get there. So this whole setup is going to cost me plus minus 3,500 rand compared to the 289,000 that I was quoted. So guys, it's much better if you try it yourself. Even if you fail once or twice, it's still worth it to keep trying. This was my first attempt. A glass fiber, a pop-up top, but glass fibering and resin costs way too much, and the weight factor is quite heavy. So that idea, I could go further with it, could work, but I scrapped it and went for the neater option with the sheet metal work. As you can see once again, not a problem. I think it's going to look nice with a tent on the side. On top of that, I'm still getting a roof rack, not on top of the pop-up top, but around the pop-up top. Getting a roof rack on top of the pop-up top, solar panels. So I'll still be waiting to get there, but at least the pop-up top worked out for me. Today put on some Scully's Decor. Scully.